In this session, we are going to discuss about how to upload the question paper for mid-1 examination. Many students have doubt how to do that without making mistakes in shorter time. We will have total 90 minutes for the examination. As we know, we have 3 phases of examination. First phase starts from the third. Detailed timetable will be given along with the circular. So in first phase, all the regular students will write, those who don't have the supply examinations from CBCS batch. All the AICTE students have to write examination except the lateral entry students, those who have joined the later. However, if you don't have any backlog in the examination week and if you are prepared for that subject, you can attempt the examination. So we will have few inputs. So how to make this without creating any mess. So total 60 minutes will be there for answering the questions, and additional 30 minutes will be given for filling the form details and uploading the files. So this presentation we will divide into 3 parts. The first part we will see how to write the answers on a paper. So we will have a question paper shared like this in your group just at the time of examination. Examination will be in morning session and afternoon session. So after getting the question paper, first part we will see how to answer it on the paper. So let us begin with the answering part on the paper. Let us now discuss how to write answers on a paper and how to upload them without getting confused and wasting time. So here we have a standard format in which you have to write your answers, and the basic part should be common for all the subjects. So this part you can write on papers and keep ready before examinations. You can make multiple copies and keep as per your convenience, so your time will be saved. So let us discuss what all things are there. At the top you have to write ISL Engineering College. Below that you will write CIE1 examination. So this is your first internal examination. Below that you can see subject. Subject name you have to write as per the scheduled subject, and date as per the given date. Below that you will write your name and hall ticket number. And at the last you have to sign in student's signature column. After that, parents should also sign that they have seen that you are writing answers without referring anything, just for the record purpose. Below that you have to take teacher signature and you have to take the marks allotted from the concerned teacher, so that you will get a written proof of your examination. That means you have to preserve these papers. So it is suggested that you can write these things in the subject notes in any notebook or on a proper paper. Paper size may be as per your convenience. Preferably you can use A4 size paper, but if you have any other size paper and if you cannot go outside to get them, then there is no problem. You can use any clean available paper at home. So this part is mandatory. First part is mandatory, that this will be the first page of your each subject. This need not to be written on each page, but first page must be like this, right? So you have to write all those fields. You have to take parent signature, you have to do your signature. Once you get the question paper, don't open the Google form unless you complete writing part. Don't get into the Google forms. Once you get the paper, just fill the answers on paper. So once you have filled the top part, you can start with part A. So here you have to write the question also, because we are not getting the printed questions you at the home. We are sending you soft copy. So what you do, you write the question also. So in part A you will write the question 1. Say for example the question is what is transistor. So you write your answer there. If diagrams are there, you draw the diagrams neatly. After that you go to question 2, like that question 3. So there may be 3 questions, all questions will be mandatory. At the bottom you have to write the page number. Say this is page 1. Right, once you are done with page 1, you can turn the paper. No need to take new fresh paper, no need to waste the paper. So second page you can continue part A. You will write say question 3, you will write down your answer. If diagrams or programs are there, you have to write. But from second page you have to write the page number as well as your roll number. No need to write the complete detail again on the second page. But what you have to do, you have to mention your roll number on each page and you have to add the page numbers, right? So again you can put your answers on this page. So if you require another page, you can take the fresh page and you can start answering. So again you have to give next page, say page 3, and you will write the roll number. So like this you have to answer all the question. You are suggested to use pencil, need diagrams and make proper linings in the examination. So I hope it is clear. Now we will see how to upload these files using any software. You can upload both the types of files. Either you can submit the direct snapshot, the JPG file, or you can club them into a single PDF and then you can upload the PDF file also. Let us have a look how to create the PDF file on the phone and how to submit it in the Google form. Hello students, in second part, just now we have seen how to click the answers written on paper and how to merge them. Now we will get familiarized with the Google form where we need to upload the answer and we will see various options to upload. So we will have a quiz link shared in the group. You have to click it, then you will get some screen like this. I will show you what are the various parameters on this. So there will be heading. Say we have first internal examination CIE 1. So subject name will be there XYZ. Session will be either FN means forenoon, morning. Time will be there. Then after that it will ask you to continue the session. In next session you have part A. In part A you can upload the short answer questions. So you have to answer all the questions given in the part A. So how will you upload? There may be either question given in the Google form that you can type there. It depends on the teacher. Either the question paper will be shared in your WhatsApp group where you can answer it. Suppose here you have 3 questions. This is a sample paper, demo paper. So define transistor, define forbidden energy gap, define static resistance and all these 3 questions you have written on the paper and you made a PDF file as explained earlier. So what you will do here, you have to answer here, upload the answer file in given format that we have just now created in PDF file. Then we will click on the add file. Now how many files we can add here? We can add maximum number of files as 10 and maximum file size is 10 MB. So you have to take care that your file should not be very heavy. So this is the first part where you can upload part A answers. If it is on a 1 paper or 2 paper, you can club it. Mostly your answers will be covered on page 1 and page 2 that you can combine and upload. If you are not able to combine, you can upload on various pages. Upload page 1, then upload second page, then third page and so on. Similarly, part B. In part B you can upload the LAQs. LAQs may have again another 4 to 5 papers depending on your answer. That part you will upload here. Here also option for maximum 10 files is set. So you can upload maximum 10 files or 10 pages. So each file can have 10 MB size, right? These are not made mandatory. So you have option, either you can upload part A and part B separately, or you will have third option where you can upload a single file. If your data speed is good, if you have a good mobile phone or you know how to operate it very properly, then you can club SAQ and LAQs in single file and you can upload here. Here only one file option is given. This option is for the student who want to upload a single file. You can upload a single file here and you can continue to next session. Next session is attendance, that just now we have discussed while uploading, and you have to follow the same system. I hope you have cleared the things how to upload the answers. Once you upload, we get the responses here, and the responses contain your files. As soon as we click on the files, we get the complete answers to evaluate. We also get various parameters like which branch have attended, how much percentage of the answers. Once you are done with writing your paper, then only you should start clicking the screenshots and uploading it. Before that, don't use the camera. Once you have written the answers, then you can go to your camera. So we have camera here. So once you go to camera, then you can click the answers. So say you are clicking on page 1, and then you have to similarly take snap of the page 2. Once you click the images, then we can club them into a PDF file. I hope everyone have PDF file loaded in their phone, or else we can see how to download it. Let us have, say we have to go to Google Play Store. Once we go to Play Store, we can click for, say, PDF Maker. So once we click on it, we get so many options. So we can select anyone. So better you download the PDF converter today itself if you don't have. So we can download any one PDF Maker. I have already installed one PDF Maker. So I will go to this one, PDF Maker, PDF Creator. So here what we have to do, in the PDF Maker there will be various options. So whatever PDF Maker you are doing, you are going to use, practice it once before the examination for doing it faster. So in this we have one plus option where we can add the files. Here we have two options, one is camera, another one is gallery. So we can click on the gallery and we can access the already clicked images. So if we click here, we have the images already we have clicked. So we have clicked the page 1 and page 2. So we can select these files. So we have, say, file 1 and file 2. Then we are attaching them. These two files are there attached, and then we can save it. So once we save it, these files will be saved in single PDF. So if we use something from Play Store, we get so many ads. So one file is saved here in the PDF form. So if we open it with Google Drive, we can view the file uploaded. These are the files uploaded. We can rename it from here. Say we'll rename it as CIE 1. Subject name maybe something that you can give. This is not mandatory, you can give any name. For easy convenience you can give like this, and then we can update it. So we have to manage with this ad. So we have one file CI1BE. So this file we have to upload in the Google form, that we will see how to upload it. So just now before this session we have seen the options given in the first internal examination Google form. Like that was the view from the examiner side. You will get a view like this if you are using mobile phone. So first internal examination CIE 1, if you click on the link you will get something like this. Then your email ID will be there. So you have to choose your own email ID. Then you will go to next. Once you go to next, you have part A. In part A, you have option to upload the answers file. So you have three options here. So part A you can upload separately, part B you can upload separately, or part A and part B combine you can upload in a single file at the end. So if you are adding only LAQs, take the snapshot of LAQs and upload them. So you have to select the file wherever it is in your system. Say we'll go to files. So where I saved it, say my file was saved in the that particular PDF files are stored in the PDF maker. So you can find out where your files are saved. So in this PDF maker, the previously saved CI1BE PDF is there, which we have seen. So if you are doing it for LAQ, you can mention here LAQ. So you can select it. After selecting, click on OK and then upload. So now this file is uploaded. Then you can go to next. If you are not uploading LAQs and SAQs at one place, you can directly go to next. If you want to upload as LAQ separately, you could have uploaded there. So if you don't upload LAQs and SAQs separately, you can add in this third option where you can club all of them and add all together and click on the next. But if you are not able to convert it into PDF file, so what you will do, you will directly upload, you will add file as images. So you can directly go to files, in your recent file your images may be there. Say this is my first file, this is first image. I will upload in the LAQs. If I have 2, 3, 4 pages, even up to 10 pages, I can keep on adding. What I have to do, I have to just click on the add more files. So once this file is uploaded, we can add more files. So this form supports 10 different files. So you can upload 10 different images if you are not able to convert it into PDF. At the last option, if your internet is very bad, which is not supporting the uploading, then what you have to do, immediately all the snapshots you have to WhatsApp to the concerned teacher in the given time slot with the genuine problem, right? Then only your examination will be considered. Once this file is uploaded, you can add file in the same. So this is SAQ page 1 you have uploaded, then you can select file and you can upload the second page. Again you can go to the files or your camera and then upload the second file and say upload. So likewise you can upload, and finally once you are done, you will go to final stage. So we will go to next. After uploading everything, finally you have to give the attendance. So attendance of the examination, if subject is for multiple sections, there will be options for the selection of branch. Suppose you are from CSEB, you will click here. Then you have to write the hall ticket number. You have to type full hall ticket number in numbers, not the short. So you may have something 160XYZ something, and finally you can submit it. After submission, you will get one screenshot that your response has been recorded. So this response file you can take snapshot and keep as a record at your end. So like this you can go for the examination uploading.